Hey guys, so today I'm gonna replace this radiator fill neck, okay? And the reason for that is it's broken. Okay? It's broken here, it leaked everywhere. I already removed the battery, and so I unplugged this. It goes here. It's been unplugged, but then this one's is broken. And so I'm gonna remove this one here, okay? Remove the filler neck. And so it has a clip. The clip goes in here, okay? And so remove the clip. And then to remove this, let's see if I have a tool. I need to pull this out. Okay? I need to pull this out, so okay, so to pull this one out, I'll need to separate it from back here. Let's see if the screwdriver will work. It's on there pretty tight. Let's see here. There you go. You pop right out. Okay. That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Okay, now that I got this off, let's see here. These are the new parts right here. This is an old piece. This is the new parts that came with it. Came with the kit. And then this is the new fill neck, okay? Yeah. Okay, so to put this together, we have this plastic ring. This plastic ring, and then if you look closely at it, you'll see this side here, it's beveled, and then this side is not, okay? Okay, so the beveled side goes in like this, and then after that, you got your O-ring, goes in like this. Okay. And then after that will be like this. Just slides in. Make sure that the groove here, the cutout, goes on to the this piece here. Okay, that's what the cutout's for. Okay? The cutout. But before I put this one on, I'll need to take this out. Okay? Okay. that's been removed. Okay, there's nothing in there. That's great. Alright, now that that's been cleaned out, we can slide this one on. Okay. You can see it's not all the way in yet. You can see through this port here, this little hole here. It needs to go all the way in. And plus ring and your ring that's in here, it needs to come up to here. Okay, it took a little bit of force, but I got it all the way in. It's all the way in. Now the next thing to do is put on this clip. Yeah. Okay, so this one just clips in. Okay. Just like that. So it's just like a little snap ring. Snap into place to hold it. And then from there, all we gotta do is put the hoses back on. Make sure it's all the way in. Yeah. There you go. And then all we gotta do now is fill it up with coolant. Yeah. There you have it. And that's how you replace the filler neck for the radiator on a 2007 Sienna.